In recent years, microbiome skincare has emerged as a game changer in the beauty industry. At the heart of this transformation is the skin microbiome, a diverse community of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and even mites, that live on the surface of your skin. This invisible but essential ecosystem plays a key role in protecting the skin barrier, managing inflammation, and maintaining overall skin health. As we learn more about the skin microbiome's importance, the trend toward probiotic skincare and microbiome-friendly skincare has skyrocketed. Gone are the days of simply avoiding harmful ingredients. Today's focus is on products that nurture and repair the skin barrier, ensuring your skin's natural microbiome stays balanced and healthy. A well-balanced skin microbiome helps ward off harmful pathogens while promoting beneficial bacteria that support glowing, resilient skin. Probiotics for skin health are increasingly being incorporated into beauty routines to foster this balance, making them a cornerstone of natural skincare for microbiome support.
Whether you're just starting your journey with microbiome beauty products or already have a healthy skin microbiome routine, embracing microbiome skincare is essential for achieving long-lasting skin wellness.
With the right products, you can protect and optimize your skin's delicate ecosystem, leaving your complexion radiant and strong. Stay tuned for the launch of our new vibrant skincare line, packed with microbiome-friendly ingredients designed to elevate your skin health naturally.